Master English verbs through action. Let's use pronouns in real-life scenes. Walk. Walk. I walk to school every morning. I walk to school every morning. We walk together in the park. We walk together in the park. You walk very fast. You walk very fast. They walk to the market. They walk to the market. He walks to work. He walks to work. She walks with her dog. She walks with her dog. Go. I go to the store. I go to the store. We go to class. We go to class. You go home now. You go home now. They go to the beach. They go to the beach. He goes to work. He goes to work. She goes to school. She goes to school. Run. I run when I am late. I run when I am late. We run every weekend. We run every weekend. You run like a pro. You run like a pro. They run in the race. They run in the race. He runs to catch the bus. He runs to catch the bus. She runs in the morning. She runs in the morning. Come. I come from Paris. I come from Paris. We come together. We come together. You come early today. You come early today. They come to visit. They come to visit. He comes with a gift. He comes with a gift. She comes to help. She comes to help. Eat. I eat rice. I eat rice. We eat together. We eat together. You eat fast. You eat fast. They eat lunch. They eat lunch. He eats fruit. He eats fruit. She eats bread. She eats bread. Start. I start my day early. I start my day early. We start the lesson. We start the lesson. You start first. You start first. They start the game. They start the game. He starts work at 9 o'clock. He starts work at 9 o'clock. She starts cooking. She starts cooking. Drink. I drink water. I drink water. We drink juice. We drink juice. You drink tea. You drink tea. They drink coffee. They drink coffee. He drinks milk. He drinks milk. She drinks soda. She drinks soda. Sleep. I sleep early. I sleep early. We sleep at night. We sleep at night. You sleep well. You sleep well. They sleep on the floor. They sleep on the floor. He sleeps a lot. He sleeps a lot. She sleeps quietly. She sleeps quietly. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. We wake up early. We wake up early. You wake up now. You wake up now. They wake the baby. They wake the baby. He wakes up with the sun. He wakes up with the sun. She wakes up slowly. She wakes up slowly. Write. I write my name. I write my name. We write letters. We write letters. You write well. You write well. They write poems. They write poems. He writes in his notebook. He writes in his notebook. She writes a message. She writes a message. Listen. I listen to music. I listen to music. We listen to the teacher. We listen to the teacher. You listen carefully. You listen carefully. They listen to the radio. They listen to the radio. He listens to the news. He listens to the news. She listens to her friend. She listens to her friend. Talk. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. We talk every day. We talk every day. You talk too much. You talk too much. They talk in class. They talk in class. He talks to his boss. He talks to his boss. She talks on the phone. She talks on the phone. Watch. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. We look for the keys. We look for the keys. You seem tired. You seem tired. They look happy. They look happy. He looks at the photo. He looks at the photo. She looks outside. She looks outside. Play. I play football. I play football. We play together. We play together. You play well. You play well. They play outside. They play outside. He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar. She plays with her doll. She plays with her doll. Work. I work at home. I work at home. We work hard. We work hard. You work today. You work today. They work in a shop. They work in a shop. He works in an office. He works in an office. She works at school. She works at school. Study. Study English. Study English. We study every day. We study every day. You study well. You study well. They study together. They study together. He studies mathematics. He studies mathematics. She studies French. She studies French.